We've spent countless of years wondering if we're the only one in the universe. Astronomers have scanned the stars, tuned in to distant signals, chased whispers of other worlds. But in 2023, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope looked at a little dot in the sky and saw something that shook the world of outer space and beyond. That dot? It is a planet called K2-18b. It doesn't just orbit in the habitable zone. In fact, it might redefine what a habitable planet even is. This distant world, which is 120 light-years from Earth, orbits a cool red dwarf star in the constellation Leo. K2-18b is about 2.6 times bigger than Earth, and nearly 9 times more massive. James Webb detected 2 gases that we often associate with life here on Earth. The gases? Carbon dioxide and methane. And more importantly, there was no presence of ammonia, which, to scientists, suggests one thing. These gases might not be coming from volcanoes or chemistry alone, but from mere biological activity. Yes, from life forms. Scientists now question and formulate based on the data that they have. Some believe K2-18b could be a Hycean planet, a rare kind of water world. Picture this. An endless ocean blanketed by a thick hydrogen-rich atmosphere that is warmed just enough by its faint red sun. Think deep sea. Think extremophiles, the kind of creatures on Earth that live without sunlight, under crushing pressure, near boiling vents. The conditions are wild: pressure, heat, radiation, but life has a funny way of surviving where it shouldn't. And here's the real twist. Scientists also found traces of dimethyl sulfide in the atmospheric data, a gas that, on Earth, is only produced by life. Phytoplankton, to be exact. Now this doesn't confirm life, but it absolutely raises eyebrows and makes scientists wonder. Because if this gas is being produced the same way it is here, then most definitely, something is alive on K2-18b. Or, we just discovered a completely new chemical process that mimics life. Which, honestly, might be just as wild. Either way, the discovery will pave new avenues on our expedition on the space and beyond. So what now? NASA and other space agencies are planning follow-up observations. More data, more questions. And maybe, just maybe, answers. But if K2-18b is a living world, then we're not just talking about one alien planet. We're talking about our outlook and how we look at the universe. Because if life can exist here, in a weird, high-pressure ocean on a hydrogen-soaked planet, then there is a high possibility that it could exist anywhere. Life might be the rule, not the exception. And that changes everything. So next time you look up at the night sky, just remember, somewhere out there, under an alien ocean, something might be looking back.